Hey friends, it's been a while. I'm making this video to talk to you guys about where I've been, what's going on. It's been like, I think a month since I've last talked to you guys, and basically my life's kind of messy. I'm dealing with some family stuff. I don't really want to get into specifics on here. It's not really anyone's business. Like, it's something private. I can just say that I'm okay. Not mentally, but physically and health-wise, I'm doing pretty good. But I just wanted to talk to you guys for a second, and this is gonna be like a little, either part of a video or it's gonna be its own video where I just clean up. I think we're gonna do a cleaning vlog, like a Sunday vlog, getting ready for the week. And so I'm just cleaning the kitchen. Going to be a Sims video coming out after this one, because I think I'm gonna upload this today, Sunday. And then the Sims video will come out this week if I can get some editing in. But I really should work on my time management, which is what I'm gonna really do. So basically my life has come kind of crazy and I have not had a free minute to film. And the 3 videos for the Sims growing together that I tried to film were terrible. I wasn't focused and I'm just not doing what I need to. So I'm fixing that and we're gonna just work on this together. I'm gonna try a new method of filming today. I think I'm gonna try to film that video today too, but I have a laundry list of things I need to do. I have this like list right here. I got this at Joann's, by the way. I have to do dishes, bedroom, laundry, pick up. My sister's staying with me, so I need to make her bed. She sleeps in my room on a mattress, but it's a really comfy mattress. Like, it's really nice. You guys are kind of gonna come along with me as I clean, and we're just gonna work on stuff together. I'm probably gonna play music in the background for a bunch of this, but I've been struggling, and this school week is gonna be really fucking hard because I have a chapter more than usual to read, but I'm also dealing with a bunch of personal shit, and I haven't practiced for guitar yet. I take guitar lessons. I haven't practiced this weekend. I practiced last week. I practiced Wednesday, Thursday. I didn't have a lesson on Tuesday, so I've been practicing, but I should probably try to fit some practice at some point today. So you guys are just gonna come along with me on my fucking day. I just finished cleaning up the kitchen. So now I have to clean up my bedroom because it's been neglected since I've been home. And I have to get all my laundry. I have 2 baskets worth of laundry to do. Yeah, I haven't been taking care of myself. So we're gonna do that. Then I think on my list is, I don't even know, but just stick with me. I just finished picking up my room. You guys didn't see the before. Ignore my curtain. But this is the after. Also, I got the new Harry Styles. It's not new, but it's new to me. But I have to wash my white sheet, my white bedding, so I just put everything else on the bed. But I made my sister's bed. Now I get to go downstairs and do laundry. Troublesome. Another thing to check off the list, the kitchen and my bedroom. So all I have to do is pick up around the house in the dining room, but the dining room is not in my plans right now because my sister and I are doing it together when she gets here, so. Now it's time for a segment I like to call Lunchtime with Stacy. I don't know what I'm eating today. We'll find out soon. Okay, friends, I'm pretty much done with everything I needed to do. I completed my to-do list completely. Thanks for sticking with me on my little like mini cleaning vlog, and I'm sorry that I haven't been around. I will be around a lot more soon, and there will be a Sims 4 Growing Together video coming soon. Hopefully in the next couple days or so. I know it's going to be late, which is why it's not going to be like here's everything in the pack, because you've probably already seen it. It's probably going to be more of like my opinion, what I like, what I don't like, that kind of thing. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!